Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to print double-sided in Google Docs. So assuming your printer supports the duplex printing, I'm going to show you guys how to go about locating that setting. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you can either tap Control and the P key on your keyboard at the same time to launch the keyboard shortcut, or you can select the printer icon up here at the top and you will have to select more settings. And then if your printer supports duplex printing, there'd be an option underneath more settings here to print on both sides. Just keep an eye out for it. Again, it would be listed underneath more settings here. And if you don't see it under here, you might have to go underneath print using system dialog. And then you should be able to see the option in here underneath more settings. So again, it's a printer specific setting. It's not in Google Docs itself. However, I just kind of wanted to direct you guys where to look for it because you're not going to see it on the main print page. You actually have to go underneath more settings in order to locate it. Again, also your printer needs to support it as well. So just want to put that out there. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.